How to make a game pass in Please Donate Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily create a new game pass for Roblox Please Donate. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to your web browser and search for roblox.com. And then from here you have different tabs up top like Charts, Marketplace, Create, and Robux. Click on Create and you'll be taken to Roblox Studio, or you can just directly enter this create.roblox.com. And once you have done that, on the left side of your screen you'll find different options like Creation, Analytics, Finances, and you just want to click down on this. And now from here, just head over to creations and you'll find your experience right here. If you don't have one, you could also create a new experience separated for the Please Donate Game Pass. I'm just going to continue with the one that's right here and click on it. So once you have done that, scroll down a bit on the left side of your screen until you find monetization. Click on this drop down and here you'll find passes. Click on it. And here you'll have an option to create a game pass. So just tap on this. So if you want, you could change the image of your game pass. I'm just going to leave it as it is. And then here, I'm just going to name it as Please Donate Game Pass. And if you want, you could write a short description about your pass. Now, once you have done that, click on Create Pass. Once your pass has been created, just head over this pass and click on the sales settings. Now from here, you're gonna turn on the item for sale and enter the price of your pass. So as you can see, you are only earning 70% off of the actual product. So make sure that you select your price wisely. Click on Save Changes. And once that is done, just go back again to your profile and on your home settings. From here, head over to creations again and head over to your experience. So as you can see here, if you click on passes right here on experience, then you should be able to find all of your game passes right here. So this is the Please Donate Game Pass. And if you want to adjust its sales settings anytime, you could do that as well. And now you've successfully created a Please Donate Game Pass on Roblox. Now you can go to the game on Please Donate and set up a stand. And from there, you should be good to go. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.